Hey, this is Jamie from iLearnFastSoftware.com. Thank you for downloading this chapter of the Algebra Explained series. Our series delivers clear, interesting, and humorous lessons, but we are not trying to replace your math teacher. We are simply trying to supplement your math teacher and give you another way to master algebra at any level. Unlike a traditional math class, this series is not confined to a classroom. I will take you on some adventures around Florida to help you learn algebra, and hopefully we'll have a few laughs along the way. Let me show you how to use our app. On the home screen, you can access your settings and watch this Getting Started video. On the settings screen, you can enter your email address or the address of a friend so that when you email study cards or scratch paper, the app will pre-fill the recipient's email address for you. Also, on this screen, you can enter your name, so once you have completed the app, you will be able to have a diploma with your name on it. The email address and your name entered on the screen are not transmitted from the app in any way, so don't worry. This is also how you can turn the sounds on or off. Once you are done with the settings, proceed into the lessons list. The Algebra Explained series will have many different chapters, so your list of lessons may differ from the one shown here. I recommend doing every lesson in the chapter and always starting with the first lesson. Once you have earned a cap for each lesson, quiz, and test, you will earn a diploma that you can email to yourself. To get started, select the lesson that you want to study. For each lesson, there are 4 possible activities. Start by watching the video. Remember, it's a video. You can pause it, rewind it, watch it over and over again, or even watch it upside down. Do whatever is necessary to learn the lesson. Next, you will want to review the study cards. Not all of the lessons have study cards, but you can create and edit your own as needed. You can also change the study cards that are included. Make sure to save your changes though. If you have email a card or all of the cards to yourself or even a friend. This can be helpful if you need paper copies to sell to your friends. Did I say that? For quizzes and tests, the study card stack will have all the study cards for the chapter up to that point. You ought to be able to sell that study card stack for $10 to your friends. See, this app will pay for itself and make you smarter. Once you are done studying and selling your study cards, you are ready for the practice problems. When you are doing practice problems, you simply tap on what you think the correct answer is. Don't rush, work it out, and think about it. Ask yourself, is this problem related to the previous problem? What is Jamie trying to teach me here? Is there a big picture here that I should be seeing? Generally, the answer is yes. There is a big picture here. If you get the answer correct, the next question will appear magically. Love that! If you get the answer wrong, take time to think about what you did wrong. Then rework the problem until you get the correct answer. Watch the video again as needed. Remember, you can use the slider and skip parts of the video you fully understand. If you get to a problem that requires some scratch paper, tap the scratch paper button or double tap the problem. You can change the background paper as needed. Change the drawing color using the paint cans at the bottom. You may hide or show the questions if needed. You can undo any mistakes or clear the whole screen. Then when you get it just perfect, you can email it to yourself, but don't use the white marker on the black background. White drawings don't show up too well on white email backgrounds. You can access a calculator from the scratch paper screen as well. Try not to use it. It is mainly there for advanced problems. For most lessons, you cannot earn your graduation cap if you use the calculator. Close the calculator by clicking the back arrow. Click the back button to return to the main problem and select your answer. When you get to the end of the 5-problem set, you will be asked if you want to do more problems. I always recommend doing all 10 problems in each practice set. You can only earn your graduation cap by getting 100% on the second or subsequent set of 5 problems. Clicking the practice button again will randomly pick some of the same questions for you to try again. If you need to leave the app in the middle of the practice set, we will return you back to the same question you left off on. Once you are done with your practice set, you can view the history of your practice lessons. From the history screen, you can review each problem and your answers. I hope you love learning with our app as much as I love teaching you. Remember to check back on iTunes, Facebook, Twitter, or other social medias to see what our newest chapters are out there. Tell your friends as well. They are your friends. At iLearnFastSoftware.com, we know you are busy, so remember, wherever you go, bring your iPad or iPhone. If you get a few idle minutes, study your algebra lessons. Instead of watching a movie in the back of the car, steering down the road for your bus, or brushing your teeth, watch my videos over and over again. Well, don't stop brushing your teeth, but you can watch my videos while you brush your teeth. You'll find that you can really become an excellent algebra student by turning unproductive minutes into educational minutes. That's all there is to know about Algebra Explained series from iLearnFastSoftware.com. Now go, learn something fast.